Once you've carried out the site work using the mobile app and you've checked over the report and done your quality control checks, the last thing to do is to download the PDF report to send to your client. So up until this point, everything has been dynamic. It's been changing as new data has been added. The downloaded PDF that you send to your client is going to remain fixed. So this is the finished article, so to speak. Now you can see here, I'm looking at the report preview. I got here by navigating to the job in the dashboard, and then I went into the report. I selected a layout. I'm using the asbestos survey template, so there are quite a few layouts available. And then I just pressed the view report button. That took me to this preview here. So from this page, you can then download the PDF. That's done from the navbar here, from the header. So I'm going to tap this download PDF button, and it's going to look very similar to the preview with a few changes. You can see now this has been added to my downloads, so I'm going to open it up from here. So here is the PDF that we have generated, and you'll notice that we have things like the page breaks and the headers and so on. This is looking good. I'm happy to issue this to my client. So if I wanted to attach this to, say, an email, I could use the File Explorer to grab this from my downloads like so. Or alternatively, I could also send my client the URL, the actual link to this preview, and they could download the report from their end. So there's two different ways there of generating the report. Either I do it at my end using the download PDF button, or your client does it at their end, again using the download PDF button, but from the link that you've sent them using this copy URL button. So this is how you generate a PDF report from the dashboard, and this is most of the time what you'll want to do. I do want to point out though that you can also generate a PDF report from the mobile app, although it isn't really designed to be viewed and downloaded from the mobile app. It is possible, and the reason being that there are certain types of reports, for example an asbestos statement of cleanliness report, where you might actually have to issue that there and then on site. So if you do want to be able to generate the PDF report from the mobile app, do exactly the same thing. Select the layout here. You want to press the options button and view the report, and then there'll also be a download PDF button in the preview on there. So I'll not do it now. It is a little bit fiddly because it's not really designed to be viewed and downloaded in that way, because there is some horizontal scroll, but just know that that option is available if you need it. So let's just recap. To generate the final PDF that you're going to send to your client, you'll want to browse to the job, then the report, open up the report preview by selecting a layout and tapping view report, and then from there you can either download the PDF yourself. That will go into your downloads folder, which you can send to your client. Alternatively, you can send them the URL by pressing copy URL on the preview, and then they can download the finished report from their end. You can also generate the PDF report from the mobile app, although it isn't really designed to be used in that way. It's useful if you do need to get a report out there and then on the site.